Okay, so we are now at hostinger.pk and now let's explore their services. So we have managed hosting for WordPress, website builder, and we have managed hosting for WooCommerce, web hosting, cloud hosting, agency hosting. There are many options. So I guess we should go with web hosting. Simple things first. So these are the plans which they are offering basically, and this is a single one. This is the basic, business, and cloud startup. So this is their most popular one, and if you are like visiting the website with the PK domain, then it is going to show you the prices in rupees. Otherwise, it will be with respect to the country currency. So it's like that. This is the most popular one. It gives you up to 3 websites, 20 GB storage, and many more. You can select any one depending upon your need. I have purchased one as well for a year, we can say, and then I'll just renew that. Okay, so my experience with the Hostinger is quite good so far, and I guess it's it is really convenient and really simple. Like it is not too much complex to use or to understand, we can say. So let me show you my dashboard as well, and let me log into my account. Stay tuned, I'll show you that in the next video. Thanks for watching.